Hey guys, Tom Fisher, and today, well, guess what's back? Guess what is back? The buzzing noise is back. This is a refurbished console, if you don't know. And well, it's not a buzzing sound. It's more of a like. You'll see in a minute. It's more like a very deep. Like that. It wasn't like a. Something like. God, it wasn't like that at all. It's more. It sounds really scary. I took the disc out to distract, and it was quite marked, and I put it in clean. So I don't know if that's got something to do with it. I'll show you what I mean. This is what this console sounds like. Hopefully it works. You can hear it. You hear that slight bit there? Yeah, that keeps. Well, it didn't happen yesterday, and I had played the console for about an hour and a half, so it might have something to do with that. I don't know. But when I take the disc out, you'll see the marks on it. It's just marks. It's not scratches. And you see that little sound there? That's not normal as well. So yeah, you can't really see, but yeah, that's what happens. So when I put the disc back in, it's quite weird. Okay, well, yeah, that didn't work that point, but it was just a concern. It didn't do it yesterday. Usually, last time it did this on the refurbished console was when I played it for quite a long time, so I don't know if it's something to do with the heat. So, if you know anything, let me know in the comment section below and how I can fix this, or is it just something that just keeps occurring and nothing to worry about? So, yeah, bye.